How to draw a gumball machine. Hey, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Today we are going to be learning how to draw a gumball machine. We are going to start by drawing a big circle in the middle of our page. Awesome job! Now we are going to start drawing the base of our gumball machine. For this, we are going to begin by drawing a diagonal line going downwards from the bottom right side of this circle that we just drew. Perfect! Now we are going to do the same thing on the other side. Nice job! Now we are going to draw the hole that the gumball is going to come out of. This is going to be a round shape in the middle of those two lines that we just drew right here. Awesome! Now we are going to connect the two sides of the gumball machine that we drew previously to this round shape where the gumball is going to come out of. Here and here we will draw two slightly curved lines. Wow, Learn How to Draw Hub crew, our gumball machine is coming along great. Next, we are going to draw a small curved line coming downwards from the left and right side of our gumball machine. Then we are going to connect these two curved lines at the bottom by drawing a long curved line across the bottom of our gumball machine. Great job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Next, we are going to outline the top part of the hole that our gumball comes out of. This is going to be a curved line right here. Nice job! Next we are going to draw a line underneath the circle of our gumball machine inside of the base. This will be right here. Looking great so far, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Next we are going to draw a square in the middle of the base of our gumball machine. This is going to be right here. Then inside of this square, we are going to draw the coin slot where we put the coin in and turn it to make a gumball come out. We are going to draw a diagonal rectangle right here. Then to finish the coin slot, we are going to draw a half circle on top of that rectangle and below it. Perfect! Now we are all done drawing the base of our gumball machine. Next, we are going to go to the top of our gumball machine and draw a slightly curved line that will be right above the circle, right here. Then above that curved line, we are going to draw a very small half circle on top of it and in the middle. Wow, Learn How to Draw Hub Crew, we're almost done. The last step of drawing our gumball machine will be to draw the gumballs inside of this big circle in the middle. To draw our gumballs, we are going to draw small circles inside of the bigger circle that are going to be near the bottom. I'm going to draw a bunch of gumballs near the bottom quarter of the gumball machine, but you can draw as many gumballs as you would like to. To make the gumballs appear as if they are overlapping each other like they would in a real-life gumball machine, I'm going to draw several circles that are not touching each other, and then I'm going to go back in and fill in the spaces. When I go back in to fill in the spaces, I'm going to draw some half circles and some curved lines that will be the outline of each gumball. Looking great so far, Learn How to Draw Hub Crew. Keep on drawing your gumballs and make sure to stick around until the very end to see our drawing all colored in. If you've stuck along this far into the video, then comment down below how many gumballs you're drawing inside of your gumball machine. This is how to draw a gumball machine. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub Crew. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up below. And if you want to see more step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, then be sure to subscribe. Also, click the notification bell to be notified every time we post a new step-by-step drawing tutorial video. Stick around until the very end to see our drawing all colored in, and comment down below what you would like us to draw next. Thanks for drawing with me today, Learn How to Draw Hub Crew. I can't wait to do it again soon. See you next time!
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub Crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.